place. No! What the hell? No! Stay back! I mean it! It's gonna go! Not today! I knew this was a trap! And I'll leave it here! We'll see about that! I say see him!
Target locked.
Too close! You're touching on me! Ice you! What? Get the car! I have to make it! Oh, snap! You won't take them! Is that all you got? I'll fight yet! I knew they'd bomb! Do not stop me! Let's go!